We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Marquee, Landers, and NLEX. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 300 square meters, floor area of 240 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, living, dining and kitchen, service kitchen, powder room, lanai, swimming pool, and 2-car port. Priced at 22.5 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. So guys, as you can see, this is a bungalow house. Not just a bungalow, but this is really a bungalow because sobrang maganda yung layout at yung ating design ng bahay. So let's start sa front natin. Nakikita nyo guys, sobrang wide ng frontage niya from that poste right there up to right there. Okay, so may mixture tayo ng mga stone elements dito sa ating fence. Meron tayong breeze blocks dito. We have greenery. Of course, our pedestrian gate. More breeze blocks. 2-car carport right here. And dito, nakakatuwa, I'd like to highlight this one because nandito yung ating mga service area or pump room. So in case na may kailangang i-service, kumbaga hindi na sila pupunta sa likod para i-service itong mga pumps natin and filters. Okay. Now guys, makikita nyo rin, it's a high ceiling na bungalow. Sobrang amazing sa loob. So let's go through this pedestrian gate. Upon entry, you have this walkway. Ang maganda pa dito sa bungalow na to is yung setback niya around lahat ng rooms may window. Okay? So, start muna tayo sa ating 2-car carport. Very wide and very high ang ceiling. Wood design ng ating ceiling, well lighted. Security cameras are installed already. Of course, ito yung ating access sa ating pump room. Then dito naman yung going to the service area. So kunyari may mga groceries kayo, pwedeng diretso na sa service area natin. Let's go to that later. Very nice din tong wall design dito, oh. Ganda. From the street level, we step up. Meron tayong parang mini porch dito sa loob, ay sa harap ng bahay natin. Then we have this large solid wooden door with electronic lock. Okay? Upon entry, welcome. Bubungad agad sa atin itong ating napakagandang living area. So we have seating options. May couches tayo, may accent chairs. We have this marble design backdrop sa ating television. Very nice chandelier, wood design ceiling. Curtains are installed. And of course, may natural light na pumapasok because of the window doon sa taas. Okay? Then, may point out ko lang din na pagpasok natin dito, nandito yung ating, sige, close natin tong ating front door. Nandito yung ating powder room. So for your guests, this is accessible. We have this toilet and our sink na very presentable. May window din for natural light and ventilation. Okay? Let's close that up. Now, nandito naman yung ating dining area. So right now, meron tayong 6-seater dining table. If you want a bigger table, kasya pa siya because napakalawak ng space. And napansin ko lang guys, no, medyo magulo tayo ngayon. Yung ating stucco design na wall treatment na napakaganda. So, somewhat industrial, mukhang undone pero sobrang elegant tingnan. Okay? Now, let's go to the show kitchen. So, we have this space right here for your center island na meron tayong mga bar stools dito. So, if you want to use it for breakfast, we have the 2-door refrigerator right here. A lot of counter space. Lighted na mga shelves natin dito. More storage options up to the ceiling. Yan, okay? We have this induction cooktop, range hood, and oven. drawers for your kitchen stuffs, di ba? Ito pwede itong lagyan ng ating coffee maker, ng ating mga blenders and all. Pwede dito siguro yung water dispenser na hidden. And this room is your additional pantry space. Yan, pwede pa palagay ng shelves to, tapos dito yung ating breaker. So, may space and place for everything. Okay? Bago tayo pumunta sa mga private areas, tingnan muna natin yung ating service area. Because this door leads to your service area. So paglabas mo dito, you have this tiled space na very neat. You have your LPG right here. Ito sabi ko nga, di ba, yung walkway natin goes all around the house. So may setback siya. Plus, we have our service kitchen right here. We have your range hood, tons of storage. We have this sink right here and another sink for your laundry space. Here you have your sink, your provision for your washer. Dito yung electricity and of course yung water supply dyan. And this sliding gate leads out back to the two-car carport. Ang ganda ng layout, di ba? So, balik tayo. So, imagine, pag galing ka dito, pasok ka dito sa service area, one more look sa ating laundry area. We have this service kitchen. Tapos, this door is a staff room. So, ang maganda rito guys, kasi, alam mo usually yung mga staff room, walang window, pero dito ang ganda. Tapos may screen pa siya. If they wanted to keep this open, pwede. Plus, this door naman is your service, toilet and bath. So, sink, toilet, and shower, rainfall shower head pang ginamit. Very nice. Okay? Now, let's go back in sa ating mga private areas. Pagpasok mo dito, guys, you will be greeted by these two doors and this door in the middle. Let's start with the door in the middle. This is the shared bathroom. Yan. Wala lang yung ilaw ngayon dito. Ayaw niya. Soft touch kasi. Yan, soft touch kasi siya, guys. So, we have our sink, our toilet, and our enclosed, partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head and shampoo niche with also window for natural light and ventilation sa taas. Okay? Ang ganda. Soft touch, nakakaaliw pindutin. Yan. Now, to my right is bedroom number 1. So this is a decent sized bedroom. We have the bed right here, side tables on either side. We have the outlets. Stucco finish ang wall natin dito. We have a window for natural light and ventilation. Air conditioning is installed. Plus, we have this built-in na sliding door na cabinet with racks and drawers and open shelves. So, very nice. Let's go to the next room. Just in front of that room, we have this bedroom number 2. Mirror lang yung design nila, guys, na yung layout. So, we have the bed, side tables on either side, outlets on either side, stucco finish sa wall natin. We have a big window, air conditioning, plus a similar cabinet space. Okay? Now, let's take one more look sa ating living area. Guys, ang ganda kasi you have a very neat and bright kitchen right here. Tons of storage space. Your dining area is right here. Plus the living room. Ang ganda ng layout. Paulit-ulit ako. Now, we have this lanai area with your dipping pool. And the color of the pool, guys, is very inviting, especially this time of year na summer. Ang sarap lang magtampisaw sa pool. Tama ba? Comment down below kung gusto niyo magtampisaw sa pool. Now, dito lang sa side ng pool, meron tayong pool shower dito para makapagbanlaw. Of course, we have this very nice traveler's plant right here and yung sinasabi kong walkway around the house. on both sides. Diba? Hindi nila sinagad para may ventilation talaga. Okay? Imagine dito kayo nakaupo ng family and friends, nagbo-board games or kumakain, diba? Napaka-relaxing. Okay? Now let's go back in. Oh, before I forget, we have this toilet for the pool. May sink and toilet. Okay? Yung shower nasa labas. Now, ikot ulit tayo. Ipakita natin yung ganda ng house. Sobrang naaliw ako. Now, meron tayo ditong junior master suite or bedroom number 3. Ito napakaganda because since master suite siya, meron tayong own bathroom. So it's a very spacious room. Yan, we have this nice detail din sa ating wall. We have this window right here, air conditioning nandyan. We have a desk that can be used as a vanity or a study. Tons of storage, more storage right here na built-in. Tapos may another window ka pa dito, oh. Talagang may natural light. Plus, your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower with shampoo niche. And the highlight, parang lahat naman ng area napakaganda. But my favorite, of course, is the master bedroom. So upon entry, you have this enormous amount of space. Guys, ito, mas high ang ceiling niya. Diba? It gives it that grand feel, but very relaxing. You have your air conditioning, you have your bed, side tables on either side, you have outlets for your convenience. Dito naman sa front ng bed natin, we have this console for your television, another shelf up here, plus dito yung ating CCTV controls. So, diba, additional security for your house, nandito siya. Now, let's check the master bathroom. Guys, we have this clear glass sa ating built-in cabinets na lighted siya, may light strip. Very elegant. We have this window right here that lets in natural light. Imagine nag-aayos ka dito, tas natural light lang, oh, ang ganda. Open shelves right there, drawer right here. Plus, of course, our master bathroom. Very elegant sink. Japanese toilet and your partially enclosed shower with shampoo niche. And ang ganda ng shower niya kasi, push button siya. Okay? Wow, medicine cabinets also for your things. Then punta tayo sa balcony. The master bedroom has its own master bedroom balcony sa front ng house natin, which is very good if you want to relax after a day's work. Tapos dito ka magko-coffee or mag-chill, di ba? Napakaganda. Please do contact us if you want to schedule a viewing of this very nice property. Now, let's do the recap.
This property has a lot area of 300 square meters, floor area of 240 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, living, dining and kitchen, service kitchen, powder room, lanai, swimming pool, and 2-car port. Priced at 22.5 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.